Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables, and right now we'll be discussing about CSS table style. We'll be discussing about table padding in HTML CSS tables. We'll be discussing about the horizontal dividers in HTML CSS tables. We'll be discussing about hoverable tables in HTML CSS. We'll be discussing about striped tables in HTML CSS. We'll be discussing about table color in HTML CSS. So I want you guys to please stay focused and follow along easily, because all these things we'll be discussing about is so nice when you understand it, just to form something nice in your tables. So anytime, like for instance, in my previous tutorial I discussed about this kind of table, how I created all these kind of tables. I want you to see this kind of table as a cool table that you can use it for anything, and you can control it as much as you want. The code we are going to be using is this same code right here, and also the styling we are having in our previous tutorial. We are going to remove every styling we are having in our table previously. I'm going to remove it because I want this to have a new neat table like this. As you can see, this is our table by default. That is, this table you are seeing right here is all this you are seeing right here. So by using CSS table styling, we are going to control the padding, we are going to control the alignment, we are going to control horizontal dividers, we are going to see how we can use hovers in our tables, stripe, colors, and so on and so forth in our table. So please, I want you guys to stay focused. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.